channel. Hope you guys all are doing great. So today is Raksha Bandhan and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying your time. Today is Raksha Bandhan, right? So my sister tied Rakhi to me, you can see, and we just did all the program and all. It was very nice, and my mom is making some nadli bhat today, so I'm very excited. So I'm going to share the recipe with you guys too. And on this occasion, on Raksha Bandhan, what usually people do is that sisters tie Rakhi to their brothers, and they wish their and they tell their brothers to protect them in every situation in their life. And I also believe that Krishna is also our brother, because he also protects us in all our situations. So yes. And also it is believed that on the fishermen, right, they go to the sea to catch some fish. So on this day they make narli bhat, and they actually thank the sea, because from the sea they are getting all the fish, and they are, basically it is their food, right? So they are thanking the sea for the food. So on this day, on this occasion, what they do is that they make narli bhat as a sweet, and they thank the sea and do some puja. And also this is a little bit about Raksha Bandhan, and today we celebrated Raksha Bandhan, and my mom is making narli bhat also. So it was a very great time, and we are having really fun, and we are in for lunch and dinner. We are going to our friend's house, so it is going to be really fun. So I'll catch you later. Bye.
ನಂದೇ ರಕ್ಷಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ್ರಿ
करेक्ट.
फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, एक हजारों में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है, फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है. ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೋ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ತೆಗೀರಿ, ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ.
So start making then. So this is Aishwarya's gift. This is a show here. This is a blackboard, and these are some wipes I will show you. And Aishwarya, look, nice markers. So you have to write. I will show you also. So with this marker you can write also. Aishu, what is your favorite color? Tell me. Pink, na?
ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರ್ರಿ.
So you just take a pen like this, okay, and then you can write. Look, A. Look, Amma, show here. And then you can also erase with these wipes. So this is the amazing gift. Happy Raksha Bandhan. So today is Raksha Bandhan, and for Raksha Bandhan special, my mom is making narli bhat. So that's why I thought to share the recipe with you. It is a very delicious recipe, and I thought it would be fun for you guys to also know. So that's why I decided to share it with you guys today. So let's hop on to the recipe. Narli bhat is ready, as you can see. Look at it. It looks so yummy and ready to eat. I don't know if you can see. Okay. So that is our narli bhat. I'm going to taste it and tell you guys. It is just made and it is so nicely cooked. So tempting. As soon as it goes in your mouth, I can feel the coconut. Okay, I can feel the taste of the shredded coconut, and I can feel the ghee also in that. It is so soft. The rice is like amazingly cooked.
It is like petals of the flower.
Yes, it is so good. It is like petals of the flower. So soft and so. And when you eat it, when it's hot, it has like its own flavor only. Okay, Aishwarya, go say. So yes, Aishwarya is eating biscuit. Okay, so I just loved it. Amazing, really. You must try this recipe. Such a great one. It is so delicious. Amazing.
Yummy.
Yummy, yummy.